Bingo Cash and Mistplay reward users in completely different ways, so the speed of getting paid depends more on how you earn than on the app itself. By the end of this video, you'll know which app usually gets money into your hands faster, what each one is designed for, and which makes more sense for your situation. Here's the short answer. If you win a cash tournament on Bingo Cash, and your withdrawal is approved, it can be faster than building enough rewards in Mistplay. The catch is that Bingo Cash requires you to win against other players, while Mistplay rewards you simply for playing eligible mobile games. Let's break that down. Bingo Cash is a real money skill game. You can enter free practice games or paid tournaments where prize pools come from entry fees. If you win enough to request a withdrawal, the app processes your payout request before sending the money through its supported payment methods. That means your payout speed depends on account verification, withdrawal approval, and whether there are any account reviews. Mistplay works differently. You don't compete for cash prizes. Instead, you install featured games, play them, earn units, and redeem those units for gift cards. Before you receive a reward, you first have to accumulate enough units for the redemption option you want. For many users, reaching that point takes longer than winning a single successful Bingo Cash tournament, but there's also no requirement to beat other players. Now let's compare who each app is best for. Choose Bingo Cash. If you're comfortable playing competitive games, understand that winnings are never guaranteed, and want the possibility of withdrawing cash after successful tournament results, choose Mistplay if you prefer earning rewards steadily while trying different mobile games without paying tournament entry fees. The trade-off is that rewards usually build gradually instead of arriving after one winning session. Whichever app you choose, make sure your account information is accurate, complete any required identity verification, and use supported payment methods before requesting rewards or withdrawals. Those steps help avoid unnecessary delays. So which pays faster? Bingo Cash has the potential for a quicker payout after a successful tournament win. Mistplay usually provides a more predictable path to rewards, but it often takes longer because you must earn enough units before redeeming them. That's the key difference. Bingo Cash rewards winning, while Mistplay rewards playing. Pick the one that matches how you want to earn. And if this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and comparisons.